In today's video, I will walk you through how to make timetable in Google Sheets first. Create a new Google Sheet. In row 1, type time in cell A1, then add the days of the week from B1 to F1, Monday through Friday. Add more days if needed by extending the columns. Next, set up your time slots in column A starting from A2. Enter times like 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., then include break 12:30 p.m. for lunch, and continue with the remaining times based on your schedule. Now fill in your timetable by adding subjects or tasks into each matching time and day. Type activities like math, English, work shifts, break, lunch, or other tasks into the appropriate cells. Once everything is filled in, select the full table, go to Format, and click Alternating Colors to make the rows easier to read. Then go to Format and choose Conditional Formatting. Add rules to highlight specific text, such as break, lunch, or exams using different colors. After adjusting the formatting, make sure everything looks clear and readable. And that's how to make a timetable in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching the video.